Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make spark text effect in CapCut. Yes, I'm using CapCut for PC, and for example I'm going to library and then I'm going to add this background template. Just drag here and then I'm going to fill the background. Just click fill in this video and then I select style background. Just select this one shell. For example, select this background and then I'm going to add text. Just click text, default text, and change the text. You can change the colors and resize like this. So how to add spark effect? Just click effect and you can find this spark effect in spark 1 or spark 2 as you like. For example, just drag here. So here we go. Okay, just simple. That's how to make spark text effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation. Thanks. Bye bye.